He was stuck in a bush. How did you get in the bush? Whatever. Hi guys, welcome back to Kids Fun Lab. My name is Lincoln.
My name is Beckett.
This is Kids Fun Lab, and today the Paw Patrol has gotten lost in our front yard, and we're gonna need to find them. So we need our fire hats. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, I think we're missing something.
Wait, what?
What are we missing? Yeah, the Paw Patrol fire truck. Oh, this is so cool. I go driving.
Okay. You take turns, okay?
Okay.
So we have to rescue Rocky, Zumba, Sky, and Marshall, and Chase.
So, let's go!
It's Chase! So I think I need the shovel to dig it out. Let's go get the shovel from the fire truck.
Here you go, Beckett.
Yep, it is Chase. One Paw Patrol rescued and one down, so let's move on to the next one. What's that? It's white. It's white and red. It must be Marshall.
It is Marshall! This is the second Paw Patrol pup we saved. It was Marshall. He was stuck in a bush. How did you get in the bush? Whatever. Let's go on to the third pup. Now it's my turn to drive, because I'm best at driving. Of course. Everybody knows that. Uh-oh. We can't go that far. It's the garden. You have to park the car here and get out. Wait, we should take the shovel. We never know what's going to happen. Wait, is it under this rock?
Wait.
What is this?
There's something orange.
Yeah, what is that?
It's
Zuma?
Zumba? What are you doing? You can't swim in logs.
Zuma was the fifth pup we rescued. Becky, you go put him in the back.
Wait, what is that? It's pink. Yeah, pink. It's pink.
Wait, can I get it down with the shovel?
Yeah, can you?
It's not long enough. We need our step ladder.
Let's go grab it. This is heavy. Oh, something.
Do you want to go up?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Okay, I'm
The branch is in the way.
Yeah.
Can you try and get it from there? The branch is kind of in the way. Can you get her? You got her.
I got her. Looks like it's Sky. It is Sky, of course.
Okay, so today we saved all the pups, and wait a second. They're dirty! Okay, now we need to wash them off. Do you think we can reach it from there? Go. More. Rocky probably doesn't like this.
So now we're gonna go yellow Bubble.
Wait, I forget what the thing on their back is called. Was it?
A pup pack. Because Bubble's job is to clear stuff and dig it away. Because he's a construction puppy, you can see.
Okay, so now which one should we review next, Papa?
Green, probably my favorite color is green. Okay.
Wait, who's his name again?
Rocky.
What does he have in a pup pack?
He has a drill. He has a lot of stuff though. He has a drill, tape gun.
So he's like a mechanic?
Yeah, he's like a mechanic. Oh, he's a garbage.
Recycler? Because
Yeah.
he's green, he's recycled.
Yes, he's recycling. Okay, so next we're gonna do Zumba. Zumba.
Is he like a water dog?
He's a water pup, and he drives a hovercraft.
Well, I have a question.
What?
Why do they all wear helmets and stuff?
For safety.
I guess so, yeah. What does she have to ride? Because she already has wings, but...
A helicopter.
Thanks for watching Kids Fun Lab. And don't forget to hit that like button.
And the notification bell.
And the subscribe button
down
below. See you next time on Kids Fun Lab. Peace. Woo!